Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how you can turn off notifications for any of your apps on Android. So if you are interested, then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel, consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to turn off notifications for your apps on Android, it's actually so easy, just follow what I'm gonna do. So for the first step, I want you to go to your phone settings. And once you're on your phone settings, I want you to scroll down until you find the apps option. Once you've found it, just go and tap it. And after that, you will now be able to see all the apps installed on your device, so just find the one that you want to mute the notifications. And once you've found the app, just go and tap it. And after that, scroll down until you are on the permissions section. So here in the permissions section, you will now be able to see the notifications option right here, so just go and tap it. And finally, for the last step, just turn the notifications off to stop the app on giving you notifications. And after that, you're done. Congratulations, you have now successfully stopped the app from sending you notifications. And so that's just how you do it, guys. Now that you've watched this video, you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.